Welcome to our guide on starting a dropshipping business. This video will walk you through 3 simple steps to launch your own online retail venture. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your approach, these strategies will help you succeed. We'll cover everything from selecting products to setting up your store. Let's dive into the world of dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means you, as the store owner, don't have to handle the product directly. It's a business model that requires minimal investment and offers flexibility. Understanding this concept is crucial before starting your dropshipping journey. The first step in starting a dropshipping business is finding your niche. A niche is a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. Choosing the right niche involves research and understanding market demand. It's important to select a niche that interests you and has potential for profitability. This decision will shape the rest of your business strategy. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is sourcing products. This involves finding reliable suppliers who offer quality products at competitive prices. Building strong relationships with suppliers is key to ensuring smooth operations. Consider using platforms like AliExpress or Oberlo to find potential suppliers. Sourcing the right products will set the foundation for your store's success. Now, it's time to set up your online store. Choose an e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce to create your store. Design your website to be user-friendly and visually appealing. Make sure to include essential features like product descriptions, pricing, and customer reviews. A well-designed store enhances customer experience and drives sales. With your store set up, the next step is marketing it to attract customers. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to reach your audience. Consider running paid advertising campaigns to boost visibility. Engage with your audience through content marketing and email newsletters. Effective marketing strategies will drive traffic to your store and increase sales. Managing orders efficiently is crucial for a dropshipping business. Use automated tools to track orders and manage inventory. Providing excellent customer service is essential for building trust and loyalty. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and resolve issues quickly. Good customer service can set your store apart from competitors. Regularly analyzing your store's performance is key to growth. Use analytics tools to monitor sales, traffic, and customer behavior. Identify areas for improvement and implement changes to optimize your store. Experiment with different strategies to increase conversion rates. Continuous optimization will help your business thrive. Once your store is running smoothly, consider scaling your business. Explore new niches or expand your product range to reach more customers. Invest in advanced marketing strategies to boost growth. Scaling requires careful planning and resource management. With the right approach, you can take your dropshipping business to new heights. Thank you for watching our guide on starting a dropshipping business. We hope these steps and strategies have inspired you to launch your own venture. Remember, success in dropshipping requires dedication and continuous learning. We wish you the best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more business tips and insights.